Hey everyone, Dave Cook with Franco Finishes. We are doing some seam repairs. We had a call for some wallpaper seams that have been coming off. It's not bad, it's just right at the edges. You can kind of see it there where it came up. So I'm just going to take a paintbrush. Sorry, I only got one hand. I'm just going to take a brush with some glue in it. I've diluted it a little bit so I can get it in here a little bit more. And I'm just going to run that down in there with the glue. I'm just using regular wallpaper glue. You don't need to get that seam sealer or the other stuff. That stuff is, once you put it on, it's hard to come off. Regular wallpaper glue. And once I got that on there, I'm just going to get this wet because you want it to expand again and get it more supple so it lays down nice. I mean, it's already laying down, but you want to make sure it lays down. I'm just going to take a smoothie and come up, down, get a little bit of glue on there. Came out just good. Back down again. There's one seam there, but as you can see, once that's why you want to get it wet too. Once you get it wet, it'll come right back to there. So we'll have to let that sit for a little bit. We'll put a little bit more water on there to make it expand, get a little bit softer. But there's the repair. It's pretty easy. Just be patient with it. If you need more glue, like right there on this side, you can kind of see it needs some glue. So it feels dry like a real fine sandpaper. So I'm just gonna, again, take my paintbrush, and if I had two hands, I'm just gonna stick that in there with the brush. And it's gonna lift where it's dry. It's not gonna come up, you don't have to worry about peeling the whole wall off. It's not gonna happen. And then I'm just gonna take the smoother again, go straight down. That's it. Pretty nice and easy, not too difficult. And there's a wallpaper seam repair. If you have other questions about wallpaper installation repairs, give us a call to Franco Finishes. We're here to help. We're here to help you love the space you're in.